Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to report a problem on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download of course the Ubisoft application. If you don't know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can also see how you can do this. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen, we have your profile, home, library. We have the store and Ubisoft Plus. In the bottom left corner, we have the download manager. And in the top left right corner, we have the subscribe to Ubisoft Plus. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and report a problem on Ubisoft Connect. So of course, launch the application on your PC and make sure that you're in online mode. You can go check that by clicking here, clicking profile and seeing your status here. Then click on the three lines in the top left corner, open the menu and select, of course, help, or you can directly go, of course, to the page that I will now be providing you with. So basically, you have this Ubisoft help page. Of course, you can go and accept cookies. Now, here you can choose the option to report a problem or submit a ticket. So provide the details about your issue you're experiencing, including any relevant screenshots or error messages. Click submit and send your report to the, of course, support team. And guys, that is how you can actually go and do that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.